This road tunnel ventilation explainer is for infrastructure and MEP consultants. It maps design inputs and procurement evidence, not a universal layout, code approval, or validated project case. Rail tunnels and mines follow different regimes and are outside this road tunnel scope. Begin with operating objectives, not fan diameter. Normal operation manages air quality and visibility. Congested traffic, maintenance, and fire emergency are separate scenarios with different assumptions, controls, and acceptance evidence. Select a system topology for the actual tunnel. Longitudinal ventilation moves air along the bore. Semi-transverse, transverse, and point extraction systems add supply or extract paths. Tunnel geometry, portals, shafts, traffic direction, congestion, egress, and environmental discharge constraints drive the choice. In a longitudinal concept, jet fans add momentum to the tunnel air. Their tested thrust, direction, sound, power, air density, spacing, and installation effects matter. Free air volume or diameter alone cannot establish tunnel performance. A main axial fan is judged at its pressure flow operating point against the tunnel network. Friction, portals, shafts, dampers, leakage, grade, external wind, traffic piston effects, and blockage all shift the operating point. A catalog maximum is not the project duty. Map the complete normal path from outdoor air to safe discharge. Define pollutant and visibility criteria, traffic and fleet assumptions, sensor locations, staging logic, portal recirculation, and environmental limits. The drawing is a concept until project data and calculations support it. Fire mode is a life safety strategy, not simply a higher fan speed. Coordinate detection, traffic stopping, egress and cross passages, smoke zones, makeup and extraction paths, suppression, emergency power, communications, firefighter access, manual control, and failure states. Critical velocity and backlayering are project-dependent concepts. Fire size, tunnel cross-section, grade, blockage, heat transfer, ventilation topology, and responder strategy affect the result. Do not publish one universal velocity or assume that more airflow is always safer. High temperature duty requires exact evidence. Verify the test standard, temperature, duration, airflow direction, motor location, silencers, dampers, cables, supports, controls, and power path for the specified configuration. One component cannot lend its rating to another. Computational modeling tests controlled hypotheses. Record geometry, mesh, boundary conditions, fan representation, traffic blockage, fire and heat release assumptions, ambient wind, sensitivity cases, and acceptance criteria. Colored smoke or velocity contours are not commissioning evidence. Commission the integrated tunnel system under an approved procedure. Verify fan identity and direction, operating combinations, sensor and alarm logic, contradictory command prevention, emergency power, manual priorities, communications, measured airflow, documented failures, maintenance access, and periodic retest needs. Release procurement only with a traceable design basis, tunnel regime and jurisdiction, adopted standards, scenarios, topology, network calculation, exact fan evidence, temperature duty certificates, controls, model review, installation coordination, witness tests, and owner approval. No universal count, spacing, velocity, or smoke direction belongs on a generic checklist.